time for the brunch.
Hey, beautiful.
Are you excited?
I am very excited. We need to do brunch date in Atlanta, like different restaurants.
Yeah. Brunch time.
We look so classy and
I know, right?
It's brunch time.
We are super late, guys. We are smiling here, but we're super late.
Yeah,
our appointment was at 1 o'clock.
But I guess
Our reservation was at 1 o'clock. But look at the time. It's almost 1 already and we're still driving. We're going to pick up our friend, then head over to the place. And the traffic here is horrible. So we're hoping that we make it to this brunch. And they're not gonna deny us our reservation. So see you there.
Yes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Hello my lovely people, welcome back to a new adventure in Long Beach, located in Los Angeles, also known as the City of Angels.
Buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher.
Long Beach is a vibrant coastal city known for its diverse culture, iconic waterfronts, and thriving marine industries.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild, never sleep, never.
Can't be with her.
You got that monologue, so she ain't lost that.
Yeah, she ain't lost that.
You got that monologue.
Look at that butt.
We go food. It's all about it.
My people, as usual, your village girl had to pull her slow-mo catwalk. Someone should sign her up.
You're not. Oh, we missing it. It's all right.
Guys, we're here. Vanessa, why are we lost? Are we lost?
No, we're not. We can't be lost in Long Beach, California.
Vanessa made us get lost, guys. But Busy is making us find our directions. Hey, Busy.
Hey. Oh, that's a tour, though. Well, hopefully we can get to go on it. But they do tours. Okay, well, yeah, we'll just ask her.
Boasting a bustling downtown area, the city offers a mix of entertainment, dining, and shopping experiences. With a rich art scenes, events like Long Beach Grand Prix and variety of parks, Long Beach provides a dynamic and welcoming atmosphere for both residents and visitors alike.
And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase.
Visitors can explore the historic Queen Mary, relax on the sandy shores of Long Beach beaches, stroll along the scenic Belmont shores, among others.
From the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
Where you want us to go park? Because the thing is around there.
Okay,
Who said it's over there?
Just go.
Do not enter.
We've already
Oh,
entered.
there's break rules.
You see, we have a
Park
parking
anywhere.
here.
You want to park here?
No,
And
that's, oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, all these are restricted.
Wow. All right, let me turn around.
Because out here they will mess your car up. You have
Oh,
so many
really?
dings in your
Yeah.
car.
Oh, okay.
But this is a rental car, I guess.
And there's police right there. This is so nice. This is my favorite thing to do. Eat on the water. Can I? No.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh, good. Go.
Those look so pretty.
Thank you. Thank you. No. Thank you. Thank you.
I can do about 2 years.
How you guys doing? Good. So we are here, guys. The waterfront dining ambience was an experience to die for. This experience makes you feel calm and relaxed while enjoying the sounds of nature from the sea and the swaying palm trees around the deck at the boathouse.
What does that sound good? I might have that. What are you gonna do for starters, Joyce?
I cannot do a 3-course meal.
I can do a 5-course right
You say you can?
I cannot.
Oh, I'm gonna have sushi and an entree.
Yeah, I don't
I'm doing a 5-course.
You don't like sushi? Thank you.
I don't love sushi. I cannot do a 3-course meal. I'm not gonna finish it. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. If I'm hungry,
Yeah.
yeah. If I'm hungry, I'll do it.
I cannot do it for later because you're going
And
tomorrow.
we don't have no microwave. This sounds good. Cheap or jalapeno, whatever that is.
Yeah, this looks good. But you see, I love their hamburger. It has everything that I want.
Oh, you get it if you want that.
Yeah, you see, it has what is it? Wagyu.
This what you were getting?
I think I'm gonna get the blackened shrimp and
I kinda wanna get that too.
I'm gonna get it. It's
What is the black extra?
Yeah, I kind of
in
want to
the
get that.
over here. And then I'm gonna get some sushi and that's it for me. And I need a drink. I'm gonna get the spicy tuna.
Yeah,
roll
this one
sushi.
looks good too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
Well, I think I'm gonna get the
They don't have no pineapple drink. I'll just have some pineapple drink. Like what we had at the other place.
Yeah.
That's really good. So what y'all think about this place?
It's beautiful, love it.
You like good.
Which one coming on? Oh look, they're chicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that blackened shrimp and pasta.
You like that too? I love it.
I'll do the first one, the pineapple. Your pineapple.
What is that they're drinking over there?
Thank you.
Those are lemon. Oh yeah, hot. That's strong for me. I'll have the current one. How much is it?
So this is what we are having.
And I'll have the spicy tuna roll.
Okay. I need to try that.
But this is good.
It don't taste like pasta to me, like spaghetti.
So you found what you want?
I only eat pasta with the white rice.
Oh. Guys, I was starving myself the entire day for me to have this moment. This food was so delicious. I enjoyed every bit of it. And their pineapple juice, it was so sweet and delicious. Keep watching me eat.
look, I blended it up and I drank it. When I woke up this morning, I had no tablets like I usually have.
Oh, really?
It was like perfect. I felt so perfect.
Now we just finished dinner. We're going to Beverly Hills.
I normally do chia seed, lemon, and cucumber in my water every day when I'm going to work.
Oh yeah, that's good for you.
Stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never.
Guys, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. If you're new to this channel, welcome home, and please remember to hit the subscription button to help me grow. Until next time, see you on my next adventure.
Yeah, the